Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines: Muslim world condemned Israeli atrocities in Palestine. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that the Muslim world has strongly condemned the Israeli atrocities in Palestine. Wish Kashmiris Palestinians could thank Muslim Ummah for solidarity. Opposition leader of Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif spoke over the Palestine issue in the National Assembly session as the Middle Eastern country continues to suffer massacre led by the Israeli occupation force, calling on the Organization of Islamic Cooperation and Arab League to soon commence a meeting on the matter. Shehbaz's name put on ECL Interior Minister, PML and President and Opposition Leader in the National Assembly Shehbaz Sharif cannot fly out of the country as his name has been put on the exit control list. Session fixed on May 20 to discuss question of Palestine. UNGA President confirms. The United Nations General Assembly has convened the week to discuss Israel's ongoing offensive on the Gaza Strip. The Assembly's president for the 75th session, Volkan Bozkir, announced. Microsoft issues statement over Bill Gates' involvement with employee. Microsoft conducted a probe into co-founder Bill Gates' involvement with an employee almost 20 years ago after it was told in 2019 that he had tried to start a romantic relationship with the person. Zulfi Bukhari resigns as PM's aide after corruption inquiry divulged his name. Special Assistant to Prime Minister for Overseas Pakistani Zulfi Bukhari has resigned from his public office after an inquiry into Rawalpindi Ring Road project alleged his involvement in corrupt practices. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.